But there is one version that I left behind, a more advanced and a more refined model of Samand Soren.
No matter where we are, we all believe in beauty. We believe in safety. We believe in family. This is our heritage. This is Ikco.
Alright folks, here we go. There isn't much difference in the overall body shape of the classic Samand and the Samand Soren. However, the Soren stands apart with noticeable upgrades in its exterior styling, interior design, and available features. The exterior has undergone several modernizations. Both the front and rear lights were redesigned for a more up-to-date appearance, and the bumpers are now more refined and better integrated into the car's overall look. In 2020, Ikco introduced a minor facelift called Soren Plus. Key updates included new graphics for the headlights and taillights, daytime running lights, a glossy black front grille, and a small rear spoiler. Unlike the regular Samand, the Soren no longer looks bulky, even though its body structure remains largely unchanged. It's clear how small changes to the grille, bumpers, and lighting can dramatically affect a car's appearance. Just like other vehicles in Ikco's lineup, the Soren uses both the XU7 and EF7 engines. To spice things up, Ikco introduced a turbocharged variant as well, with about 5.5 psi of boost on an EF7 engine. The result was a Soren with 147 horsepower. However, the turbo model was short-lived, lasting only about 2 years. This was expected. Turbocharged engines simply don't cope well with Iran's fuel quality, leading to faster engine wear and reliability issues. A few years ago, Ikco began upgrading engines to meet modern standards. The updated versions now carry a plus suffix in their names. Today, Soren Plus is available with both EF7 Plus and XU7 Plus engines, along with a dual fuel version for added variety. As Samand is considered a national vehicle, various government bodies, including traffic and regular police, and public transport organizations have incorporated it into their fleets. It wasn't too long ago that Mercedes-Benz sedans patrolled the streets as the pride of Iran's government fleets. That picture has changed, replaced by a very different kind of reality. Alright, let's go together and take a closer look at Samand Soren. As always, finding these cars is a big challenge for me. I searched online, drove around, and by the time I reached the location, the sun had already clocked out. I filmed anyway, but yeah, the lighting wasn't great. Still, I didn't give up. There is always tomorrow.
There's still tomorrow, don't give up.
The very next day, fully caffeinated and determined, I found another one. Let's dive into the interior, because this is where the Soren starts to stand apart from the regular Samand. The dashboard design has been significantly reworked. The center console is now laid out vertically, housing the cabin instruments in a fresh, modern frame. The dark color scheme, enhanced by piano black and carbon fiber accents, gives the cabin a more premium feel. The steering wheel is equipped with multimedia and cruise control buttons. The multimedia system offers both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You can even monitor tire pressure through the screen. IKCO truly tried to maintain a certain level of standard with this model. That's why in some variants you will find features like electronic stability control and hill start assist. We went for a quick test drive. One of the well-known weak points of many Iranian cars is cabin insulation. Most of the time it feels like you are driving inside a loudspeaker. However, I have to admit, the insulation in this car was surprisingly good. I know some of you are thinking about the mysterious black strip on the windshield. Well, I call it the car's sunglasses. When your city hits 50 degrees Celsius, you do what you must. In that kind of heat, sunlight can dramatically warm up the cabin and reduce the performance of the air conditioning.